Daddy. Today I brought this book. It's called A New Car. Do you know what a new person is? Oh, yes? Here it is. Say hello to the audience, Peppapig. Hello, I'm Peppapig. And how are you? Today I'm very excited to read that book. The new car? A new car? What does that mean? A new car is half new and old. Oh, when you say old, I know that. Okay? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Of course. How many? One sister, one brother. Oh, yes? Say hello for the audience, George. You're very good, George. Okay, I put you in one pile. And I'll read this, okay? A new car. Today, Peppa and her family are going for a drive in their red car. Shall we have the roof down? Yes, please. Peppa and George love their car. Everybody ready? Ready. Then let's go. I don't know what's the matter on this page. Or you know it? I just see Daddy Pig open the car and see something in there. I didn't know that. But I like red color. Did you? I like it too. Of course. You can sit in this pile. I love our car, and our car loves us too, don't you? Oh dear, the car does not sound very well. What's wrong, Daddy? I don't know. Let's take it to Granddad Dog's garage. He can fix it. That's a good idea, Mummy Pig. But I don't know what is this. Maybe it's a machine. But I don't know what its name. Can you know it? Woof! Granddad Dog runs the garage. He's very good at mending cars. Woof! Oh dear, Daddy Pig. Our car does not sound very well. Oh. Can you fix it, please, Granddad Dog? Yes, but it will take all day. Oh, we wanted to go for a drive in our car. I didn't know what Peppa and George. Wolf, don't worry. You can borrow this new car while I fix yours. Hooray! Thank you, Granddad Dog. Would you like the roof down? Yes, please. I just press this red button. Wow, what a smart car. Oh, it has 6 buttons. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see the color. The first one is blue. Second is red. Third is orange. Fourth is green. 5 is yellow, and 6 Are this dark pink? Maybe that's. Peppa and her family like the new blue car. There are so many buttons in this new car. What does the green button do, Daddy? I don't know what it do. Let's see. Magic windows. Daddy, make the magic windows go down. What does the blue button do? I don't know. Oh, I remember the car don't have this one. It have a line. I don't know. Let's see. Ah! I love this new car. Can we keep it? No, we can't keep it, Peppa. We've only bought it for today. Oh, I like the blue one too. Red and blue mixed together make purple. Are you like purple? Oh no, I think it's going to rain. Yes, I just put the roof up. Now, which is the button to close the roof? Oops, silly me. Aha, this must be the button. Why did the hole in there splash the water on Daddy Pig face? Let's see. We must see the page. Oops. No. Here. Are you read this? Are you remember that? Let's read again. I just press this red button. And now go to this page. Now, are you really remember that? This second one, okay? The new car was squirt Daddy Pig with water. Silly Daddy, that's not the roof. This button. Oops, not that one. This button. Ah, help! Silly Daddy Pig. Why did it have the lights on there? Daddy Pig has forgotten which button closed the roof. I don't think this car likes me. Let's try the red one. Hooray! Oh, it stopped raining. But now it stopped raining. Can we open the roof again? Yes. Which button was it? The red one. Hooray! Oh yes, the red one. The family are all clever butts, not Daddy Pig. Now let's read 2 more this so it can be in, okay? Granddad Dog has fixed the car. Our car is fixed. Hooray! Thank you, Granddad Dog. And keep the change. Thank you, Daddy Pig. Woof, woof. Goodbye, 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 bye-bye. Oh, yes. But I remember Granddad Dog has says the car need to fix all day, but I think the day it will be changed into darker and darker. But it blew like morning. Oh, it's good to get our old car back again. I like the new car, but I like our old car better. And I think our old car like us too, don't you? I like red, aren't you? But I have one question for you. You need to say it loud. What color of cars do you like? In my school, my teacher says, draw a picture of a car you like in your dream. And I draw a car like a house. Really cute, isn't it? But now I want to say goodbye. Bye-bye.